How are you, YouTube? And welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. George here, hope you're all keeping well. John Hoskins, he owns this Amstrad CB901 UK FM job. I don't normally do too many radios like this because you know, we never used it here, so he wants me to start this up, so that's what we're gonna do. And we'll crack it open anyway and see what's going on inside. Okay, I've the lids off here and we're just going into the dummy load, and it'll put out a bit more than that if I disconnect the counters, just the counter's pulling it down. So 4 watts, reconnect the counter. We're on channel 19, which should be 2778125, and she's a mile off. So we'll go through the alignment procedure and we'll tackle the cosmetic stuff then. Okay, so here we have it finished, and I went through the service manual to its fullest extent using that there, and I have to say she turned up nice. Now, I don't normally have any time for FM stuff, but simply because we never used it here. Now, the eagle-eyed people among you will have noticed what I've done here. A few subtle little changes. In the factory, the way they had all this done was they had red, green, and then they had red for receive and green for transmit. So I've changed all that around to the way it should be. I've just knocked up an adapter here. By the time you see this, John, I'll have this made into a nice little plastic tubular sleeve so that you can run your static on it. So we're here on channel 19. We just turned the beep off, and we're on the dummy load. So we'll just key it up. You see there, just about 4 watts. So that's that grand. What else did we do? I made the 2 of these green. So your Roger beep and your PA. Not that you'll be using that. Channel 9 is on that, lad. All the switches, rotary controls, everything's been cleaned and lubricated, and there you go. So just give her an old 1 2 1 2 audio check 1 2 3 4 check 1 2 1 2 1 2 audio check 1 2 testing for a testicle. And yes, there's one there, lovely. So she's perfect now. Your Roger beep. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Break. Give it a bit more oomph. 1 2 1 2 1 2 check. A bit of tone. 1 2 1 2 check 1 2 1 2 check 1 2 1 2 3 4 check 1 2. A little bit of footage, about 50 seconds or so worth, where I was just flicking about in it earlier on before the channel, or before the band closed, and there was a bloke coming in here from Italy. Now granted, he was using a 5-element Jaggy, but he was coming in here as clear as a day, and I could hear a few boys over in the UK and a couple in Scotland on 19 when I had it on the aerial earlier on. So there you go, John. Oh yeah, the one other thing I done, I added, this is actually, I painted all this in. I mixed up some paint for this and give it a few coats, and I just think it finishes it off, you know. My interpretation of what I think they should have made them like. So there you go. So all the best, everybody. John, thanks for sending it over, and by the time you see this, you should have it well back. The way things are running here, videos could be 4 or 5 6 weeks old before anybody sees them. By the time I sit down to edit and stuff like that, quite a number of weeks could have passed. So just the way it goes. So thanks again, John, and thanks for everybody that's watching. And if you're new here, be sure to click like, comment and subscribe, and click the bell so you shall see any future uploads that we make here at Irish Custom Radio. So all the very best. This is George 73.
50 whiskey, 50 whiskey. Antenna is a 5-element Yagi, 5-element Yagi horizon for antenna. Tony, back to you. Now because I think my wife is shocked me because the dinner is ready. 73, Tony, to you and your family. Bye bye. See you soon in the frequency. Ciao.
1 2 1 2 check 1 2 1 2 3 4 check 1 2 3 4 audio.